In this video, I'll show you how to scrape Mercari listings automatically using Apify. Mercari is one of the largest online marketplaces in Japan, with millions of listings across electronics, fashion, collectibles, and everyday goods. We'll extract data like product names, prices, item conditions, seller information, and images from Mercari search results. The whole process only takes a couple of minutes. First, go to Mercari at mercari.com and search for the product you want to analyze. For example, let's search for Samsung Galaxy. Now go to Apify and search for Mercari Listing Scraper. Open the actor page. In the input, type your search keyword, Samsung Galaxy. We'll leave the rest of the settings as default, but you can also set a minimum price, maximum price, category, and maximum number of items. You can also change the ordering of results, for example, by price or by most recent. Click Start. The actor will now automatically scrape product listings from Mercari based on your search keyword. Once the run finishes, open the dataset to see the results. Each record contains the product name, price, item condition, sale status, seller ID, thumbnail images, and a direct link to the listing. You can export the dataset as CSV, JSON, or Excel. Use this data for price monitoring, market research, competitor analysis, or sourcing products from the Japanese marketplace. Thanks for watching.